day, ma'am. I am Steven Sean Maningat, 20 years old, and I am from Kumintang, Ibaba, Batangas City. I am graduate of Batangas State University, Bachelor of Welding Fabrication Industrial Technology. During my college day, I worked in welding when I was in school. I was on the sideline in order to cover my education costs. So, 4 years my experience. Sa aking pag-aaral, nandito ang iba't ibang skill na natutunan ko tulad ng iba't ibang katangian ng welding, EPCAW, SMAW, GTAW, and etc. May ipapakita ako sa inyong video when I was still in school. When I finished my school, dito sinisimulan kong mag-apply ng trabaho sa mga company ng mga may skill na welding upang maibahagi ko ang mga natutunan ko nung nag-aaral pa ako. At dito may mga clip akong ipapakita sa inyo